Hello everyone, Optimus Futures here, back with another Investor RT video. And in this video, we'll be showing you how to access your account summary page and where to view your recent trade activity. So if you're starting off with a blank platform, you're going to want to head to the top left corner over here and go to the platform toolbar. And you can actually access your account summary page in two different ways. You can either go through the object manager or through the portfolio. I would suggest the portfolio button, as it is essentially the same process. It just brings you directly to where you need to go. If you were to open up the object manager, as you can see, you have access to all these different tabs here, which will open up different apps within the platform. But since we are looking for our account summary page, that would be under the portfolio section. Now, as you can see here, you have a couple different options. There is a simulated tab. If you are trading on live data, your live account should be listed under here. If not, you'll have to create a new one. Go over here to new. You can enter a portfolio name. You'll need to type in your brokerage account number and your initial cash balance. But like I said, if you are trading live data, there should automatically be your account listed here. And so because of that, since this is the live account that we're trading on, simply double click, or you can click on open down here. And you'll see we have our portfolio. And this is essentially the account summary page. We have a few different columns here to make note of. There's the entry time for any previous orders. There's the time held, long or short, the quantity of our contract, the entry price, the tick gain, the last value, the current value in your account, the net gain in your account, and the commission that's been made off the account. And for our rows here, we have the total value, we have our cash or our debt, and we have the total equity of our account as well. Now, as you can see, none of my fields are currently filled out. That's because I haven't placed any live trades. But as you do place live trades, these fields will automatically populate. So besides what I've shown you so far, there are actually a couple more components to the portfolio page that we can access through this toolbar on the left-hand side here. Now, the first one I'm going to suggest is this icon right here. It looks like a piece of paper. And if you click on it, this is all the current open orders that you have that have not been filled yet. This is the order status page. As you can see on our left-hand column, we have the column, the action, the type of order, the quantity, whether it's a limit or a stop, its current status, the fill ID, the account it's associated with, and the time. Now, on the bottom here, there's actually a couple different buttons where we can adjust existing orders. So as you can see, if you have an order that hasn't been filled yet, you can actually increase or decrease the price. You can revise a quantity. Here you can change the quantity amount and then click on revise quantity to, of course, revise the quantity of that order. And it's also possible to cancel a single order if there is one here. Just simply highlight it and click on the X cancel button. Or you can actually cancel all unfilled orders here as well. So besides that, we have just a couple more things to mention. Right here, you'll see a pie chart. This is called the View Asset Allocation button. If you click on this, you can see exactly how your assets are allocated. As you can see here, here's our account number, and then we have the asset by security types. Obviously, we haven't made any trades with this account, or you would see how our assets are allocated, but you can see our total balance and the different assets by class. If we did place a couple futures trades, you would obviously see that represented on this page. Now, if you are having to be sharing this platform with someone else, or for whatever reason you need this to be secure, you can actually place a password on your portfolio so only you can access it. If you'd like to add a password, just simply click on this little unlocked key right here, and that will allow you to set a password for this portfolio specific to this account. I won't be doing that since I am the only user of this platform on my PC. All right, so just one more piece of information here to share with you guys. Located underneath the trash bin here, you'll see another image that looks sort of like a piece of paper. This will actually allow you to run reports on your portfolio. So as you can see, there are several reports that you can choose from. I believe by default, the audit trail is selected, and we have also opted to select these other 3 reports as well, which are the closed position detail, the closed position summary, and the asset allocation summary. Now you have a couple options here. You can show this year, this quarter, this month, this week, today, yesterday, all your years, last year, last quarter. As you can see, there are a bunch of different options here. You can also click this to edit any closed positions that you may have on your current account. Although, as I said, I have not placed any trades on this account, this is an option as well. So if you've selected all the 4 different types of report that you would like to get reports on for your portfolio, you can click on the report button. And as you can see, it will automatically make an audit or a report of your portfolio for the 4 different categories that we selected. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content related to the futures market.